Greetings coding wizards, Krishna Sharma here from Credit and welcome to the 34th episode of our Interesting JavaScript series. Today we are unveiling the magic world of HTML attributes. These subtle adjustments play a crucial role in the web development and we are here to explore their secrets. So grab your coding bands, let the magic unfold and let's unveil the HTML attributes magic. So we will covering HTML attribute magic in the two parts. So upcoming video also will the HTML attribute in which we will see the HTML attribute in depth. So discovering the power of HTML attributes in the adjusted tapestry of web development. HTML attributes are the hidden rules that add meaning and functionality to our elements. Today we will learn how to unveil the magic and harness their powers using JavaScript. So let's dive into the enchanted forest of examples to witness the magic of HTML attributes in action. We will explore how to retrieve, modify, and even add attributes dynamically, adding a touch to our wizardry to our web pages. So here we have HTML structure. First I will explain you how this HTML structure is made. First I will make a HTML file and paste it here and made a file for JavaScript. So here we have one, two, two elements. So first is div tag with id name attribute container, and second we have paragraph tag with id name and gested paragraph and custom attribute wizardry. So this is our main topic to understand. So here we have in the paragraph original paragraph with a magical attribute. So here we have some style to it, body style like font family this, background color this, display flag and flag direction column. This all is in our CSS playlist, you can check out. So let's move to next. Here we have script. Just copy this and I will explain you. So this is script. So here we have first a document add event listener DOM content controller. So whenever we load the page, reload the page, this function will call hold the function. So in this function we have adjusted paragraph const document. First we are getting the element by id adjusted paragraph. So here we have adjusted paragraph this, and we are get in the adjusted paragraph, and second we are getting custom attribute using adjusted paragraph get attribute this. I hope you are getting this. So here we have document get element by attribute container. We are getting this attribute container using id. So let's add. So here we have inner HTML current value of custom attribute. So first we have this current value and we are giving this value with $. We can change this value usingly modify the data custom attribute value dynamically. So adjusted paragraph set attribute custom attribute sorcery. So this will place in this place. So display updated value here. So updated attribute value is, so we are getting this custom attribute using this adjusted paragraph get attribute, and by get element by id we are taking attribute container and we are update the inner HTML using this. I hope you are getting this. Let's go live this. You have to practice this 1 or 2 times, then you will get how this is. So you can see here we have first current value of data custom attribute wizardry, and after this we have updated value of data custom attribute wizardry. If I reload this, you can see we have write the this original paragraph with a magical attribute, and what we are seeing here current value of data custom attribute wizardry updated value of data custom attribute with using attributes. I hope you are getting this. So let's move to next. The magic of attribute manipulation. Behold, as we unveil the magic of HTML attribute manipulation using spell like get attribute and set attribute, we can retrieve, modify, and add attribute dynamically. The web pages become our enchanted canvas responding to our every incantation. So using attribute method wisely, as we have our spell, it's crucial to use attribute method wisely. Ensure that the attributes you are manipulating are accessible and meaningful. Let's explore the responsible magic in our example. So that concludes on exploration of HTML attribute magic. Whether you are retrieving, modifying, or adding attribute, understanding their power is essential for our web source. If you found this video spellbinding, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share your thought in the comment below. In our next episode, we will continue our journey through JavaScript, delving into more secrets and mastering the art of our web enhancement. Until then, may your attributes be meaningful, your spell be precise, and happy coding.